Paano maging forever young? Meron akong isang book na nabasa, The Fountain of Youth. Very interesting ang title, kaya binasa ko ito. Mayroong exercise mentally, physically, and spiritually to become a fountain of youth. Ginagawa ko to everyday, pero parang hindi naman ako naniniwala because I believe that we are not an immortal. Sinabi ni Jesus, ako ang tinapay na nagbibigay ng buhay. Ang sino mang kumakain ng aking katawan at umiinom ng aking dugo ay may buhay na walang hanggan. Literally, hindi natin pwedeng kainin ang katawan ni Jesus. But through the Eucharist, we eat the body and drink the blood of Christ. Saan? During the Mass. You want to become forever young? Go to Mass and eat the body of Christ. Live God-designed life.